out as I bring you up. And again. Last one. Out. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna bring you over. Just try to relax your body. Okay, good. Okay, let's have you turn this way for me. As I bring you over, relax your body. Okay, good. Face up here. Line your back. Okay. Just try to relax your shoulders and your neck a little bit more. Turn this way a little bit more. Turn that. Great job. So how's your first adjustment?
Oh, I loved it.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
What's the difference right now?
I feel a lot better. My back pain is gone. I feel like I can go fight 5 rounds for a title fight. So.
Alrighty. So folks, be sure to follow Joseph. He most likely has a fight lined up in July. And then obviously we'll see him before that
Oh, absolutely.
to prepare him.